Shut up, I'm recording.
Maseca ou fromage. Taza de mesure and bowl. Oh, that's a big mistake. Vous allez ajouter à vous dans la farine de maïs. We're pouring 2 cups of maseca into the bowl. And 2 cups? No. That's a cup down! Oh, no. And now we're going to put a cup and a half of, water. 2 shots of water.
2 shots of vodka.
That's a lot of water. Oh my god, I forgot the spoon! I got it. We're good. We're mixing the 2 cups of maseca and a half a cup of water. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Ama! I need a little bit more maseca. Tiring. This doesn't work out right. Oh my god. So I added too much water, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more maseca. So it's gonna look like it should not fall off the spoon if you go like this. Okay, now that your batter is ready, you're gonna put a little bit of maseca, the flour that we use.
Tu vas faire un petit boule avec plate.
Don't push too hard.
Mettez dans la presse et venons dans la plate.
You can never be too thick. Yes! My children have been born. See how this is perfectly thick? Like, you see that? It's beautiful. Like I said, you can never be too thick.
Ensuite, vous chauffez un grand poulet à feu moyen vif.
Oh, they're puffing up! They're puffing up!
Ne pas finir de faire couler les tortillas. Ensuite, vous les tirez de la poêle.
I burned myself, Brian. Oh! Nope.
Vous ajoutez du fromage à la tortilla.
2 slices of cheese.
Vous faites cuire la quesadilla complètement.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!